Hello friends, in today's video we will know about nested if function and its alternative function of ifs IFS. Both are logical test function. In the screen you can see there is a simple flowchart. The similar flowchart we discussed in my last video of if function. The link to that video you will find in the comment section of this video. So coming back to the flowchart. Here you can see we have a decision in front of us. Decision on dealer commission basis sales. Dealer sale is If dealer sale is less than 1 lakh or 100,000, if this is true, then he will not be eligible for any commission. However, if dealer sale is greater than 1 lakh, which is that means this condition is false, in that case he is eligible for commission. This simple situation we can tackle through if function. However, if we complicate this case like this, you can see uh, in this revised flowchart here when he is eligible for commission, then we need to further go down and decide how much commission he is eligible for. So we'll do another check, another logical test, whether dealer sales is between 100,000 and 200,000. In that case, if that condition is true, then commission at 3% of total sales. However, if that is false, then we will do another check whether dealer sales is between 200,000 and 300,000. In that case, the commission will be 4%. However, if it is greater than 300,000, and in that case, uh, the commission will be 5% on sales. So this situation, let's discuss over Excel. Here you can see there are 10 distributors or dealers. The total sales is in this column. And then we have to calculate commission basis that. These are the commission conditions. The same conditions which we discussed in the flowchart. First of all, let's see how if will be used here for the first stage. I will just start the function and Excel will guide you. Logical test. Now, what is the logical test? Logical test is if it is less than 1 lakh, in that case, he will be not eligible for commission. However, if it is false, then eligible for commission. Close the bracket and you get simple result here. Now let's come to the commission calculation. We will calculate this by using nested if. Nested is if is nothing but it's if inside if. So here also you will start by typing if. You need to do your first logical test function, that is if sales is less than 1 lakh or 100,000, then commission will be 0. However, if it is false, then you need to open one more if and then do one more logical test. If sales is less than or equal to 2 lakhs or 200,000, in that case, how much will be my commission value if true? It will be sales multiplied by 3%. So, however, if this is also false, then you need to open one more if do do one more logical test function. If this is less than or equal to 300,000 or 3 lakhs, in that case the commission will be sales multiplied by 4%. If this is false, in that this is false means the sales is greater than 3 lakhs. In that case, straight away you can quote a condition sales multiplied by 5% and close the bracket. The moment you close the bracket, you can observe here the bracket is in blue color. It represents that this blue color bracket is closed. Still this red color bracket and black is open. So you need to give one more closure, which will be the red one and then black one. By doing this different colorings Excel indicates you how to close this formula. In case if you miss any bracket, then an error will come. As of now, we will do a no here and do a correction manually like this. So one more thing I would like to highlight. In case if you don't do, Excel would suggest you to do this. If you accept this correction, that is also okay. Many times Excel may not suggest you the correct thing. In that case, you need to correct it manually. Here you go. So this is the commission calculated basis nested if functions. So friends, there is one more way to calculate this using IFS function. So I will type IFS and then logical test one, which is sales one my less than 1 lakh. In that case, value of true means you need to give a zero. Then you need to perform another logical test. If sales is less than or equal to 2 lakhs, in that case, your commission will be sale multiplied by 3%. And one more comma, then you need to give logical test 3. If sale is less than or equal to 300,000 or 3 lakhs, in that case, value will be sale multiplied by 4%. And then you have to specify if, then you have to give one more logical test. This is greater than 3 lakhs, then the commission will be this multiplied by 5% and close the loop. You get the same result. Here, I would like to highlight one more thing. This is the last condition, right? In this last condition, you can also specify the word true and then go ahead. Last condition means your leftover condition. You can simply write true and it should not be within the double quotes. It should not be like this. It has to be without double quotes. So this much only for today's video. If you like this video, then please like, share, and press the bell icon. And also, most important is please specify in the comment of video that what video you like to have next time. I will try to make that. Thank you so much for watching.